Hello, hello, salut tout le monde. Allez, on y va. Ok, bienvenue tout le monde, rebonjour. On est parti, on continue sur les visages. J'ai eu une idée, enfin j'ai une idée. J'ai eu une envie, c'était de retourner bosser dans Houdini. Je sais, j'ai des envies bizarres parfois. Mais vous allez comprendre ce que je veux faire. En fait, j'ai un problème dans le sens où, entre guillemets, dans le sens où la façon dont je génère mes vertex normales, pour l'instant c'est automatique. Dans le sens où ce qui se passe, si je reviens sur le visage ici, en ce moment, comment ça fonctionne, comment mon workflow fonctionne, c'est on peut voir que j'ai plusieurs patchs de géométrie dans une face qui sont délimités par ces edges surlignés en bleu ciel, qui sont des sharp edges. Et la façon dont je calcule mes vertex normales, en fait, pour chacun de ces patchs là, donc c'est à dire ça je considère que c'est un patch, ça je considère que c'en est un autre. Pour chacun de ces patchs, je vais prendre tous mes vertex et je vais faire une moyenne. Je vais faire une moyenne des normales, de la normale de tous mes vertex. Donc je prends tous mes vertex, je prends toutes les vertex normales de ces vertex, je fais une moyenne et j'applique cette moyenne à tout le monde. Ce qui fait que toutes les vertex normales de tous ces vertex vont tous pointer dans la même direction et ça va être la moyenne. Ça marche bien dans la plupart des cas et ça me permet de générer très rapidement les vertex normales pour mon personnage. Le problème que j'ai, c'est que j'ai peu de contrôle évidemment sur la direction de ces normales. Pour l'instant, c'est ça, ça me donne très peu de contrôle. Du coup, parfois ça peut me poser quelques problèmes parce que à certains endroits j'aurais aimé j'aimerais avoir un peu plus de finesse dans le contrôle de la direction de mes vertex normales. L'idée que j'ai eue, j'ai cette idée, c'est dans Houdini, au moment où je génère mes vertex normales, c'est de créer une géométrie. Vous allez comprendre ce que je veux dire par là. Donc celui-là, je vais le réexporter. Alors, export FBX. Ok. Ah, mais là, il y a un problème là. Attendez. C'est bien que je sois tombé sur ce problème là. Et oui, logique. Là, il faudrait que je mette un sharp. Voilà. Comme ça va. C'est pour ça que la bouche, elle est en une seule et même couleur. Genre la lèvre du haut et la lèvre du bas. Hey Zaydin! Comment ça va? How you doing, man? Alright, reload. Now it's better. Now we got the what I was looking for. Good, summer. Yeah, same thing here. Today is the first day that it's really hot here in Canada, in Montreal. So that's one of the first day that I need to have my clim on, my AC on. Summer is actually starting for us now. And you, what's up? Procedural stuff? Yeah, kind of procedural. It's the correct term would be more modular stuff. The idea here, the workflow I'm trying to go with is I'm trying to generate as much as variation as I can for its facial animation. Right now it's just modeling, it's facial modeling, we could say. I'm trying to have as much variation as I can for the NPC that's gonna come to the guest house. So I want to create as much variation I can in the shape of the heads and the style of the head. Right now the idea, the approach I have is to let me bring another example. So let's say we got this guy, this kind of fat guy. I'm trying to separate everything in different elements. So we got the head, but also separating the eyes. So you see that it's something different, the nose and the mouth. And what I'm trying to do is being able to switch those elements into one same archetype of a head. So what I call an archetype is that, for example, this guy is the fat head style, fat heads archetype. I could say, okay, for the mouse maybe I go with another mouse, and now we got something different. And for the eyes I could switch for something different. And you see that's it's mixing, it's like mixing up stuff. And the nose is a little bit different because I have less bandwidth, but so that's the idea. That's the idea I have when I'm talking about procedural. Yeah, what I should say, actually, it's more like modular, but it's trying to instead of creating like 50 different heads, I'm creating maybe like 10 or 15 different heads, and then mix and match some elements to generate variation. And I feel like it's gonna be the good balance between having variation, but at the same time me having control on the design, and not be too constrained on a customization system that is too heavy. That's keep me to make some very different type of head. So that's what I'm working on right now. Alright, now for the idea I had to improve my tool in Houdini that generate the vertex normal. Let's say that we got right now we in these loops we're passing through each of the patch I was talking about. So you see single path. You see that. Wait. Okay, here we go. So we're going through each patch of our character, and you see where this is going, eh? Yeah. I hope it's gonna work. So the idea is here I'm calculating the average vertex normal. Now what I could do is also find the center. I'm trying to find the center of this of this shape. So let's say we got the vertex, and I'm also gonna store the positions. So we're gonna make an array of this, and we're gonna do exactly the same thing that we did for the normal, but now for the positions too. So we're gonna, for each vertex, actually it's not for the vertex, but for the yeah, that's the thing. The normal is on the the thing is the normal is on the vertex. But the position is on the point. So first of all, I need to find what is my we already have, we already looping through all the points and not the vertex anyway. So actually it's not an issue. So what I can do is, okay, vector, so we're gonna grab the position with the point 0 p, and we're gonna grab from the I, and then we're gonna append that into our PSP. Here we go. And at the end we're also gonna store the V P equal average, exactly the same as the normals. So now if I'm looking at the details, we're gonna see that, hey, no? Oh, because could it be? Yeah, okay, because we already have. Wait, what? P doesn't work. P doesn't work because I feel like it's because it's an intrinsic. Well, I need to change the name. Okay, so we're gonna call this pose, actually V pose for position. And so now I got my the center of my patch. What I can do with that is, and center, right? So what I can do with that is now create a line. So for each, I'm gonna go with details again. How do I create a line? How do I create a So I could start with add point, I think it is. So what do you need? A geo handle and the point number. Do we have? Can I specify in a position? Yeah, geo handle vector position. Cool. So all I have to do is this. The position is gonna be the V pose, and that should be it. So we should have a new vertex. Here we go. That's supposed to be the center of this. Right. Then I'm gonna create a new point based on the direction of the average normal. So let's go with that. So first of all, I need to calculate the position of the next point. I'm gonna call this one P0. Here we go. Ah, no, doesn't work. I need to specify this. Here we go. So now we need to create a vector. It's gonna be the I'm gonna call this P1 pose for P1 position. So it's gonna be we're gonna grab our vector n. We're gonna multiply by a certain distance. So let's go with, I think it's gonna be way too much. I think 0.1 is gonna be enough. And we're gonna add to this the boss. And this gonna give us our end point, add point. Zero P1 boss. Here we go. So now we got the direction of the which surprised me a little bit. I'm not sure I should be. Let's make it a little bit further, like this. And then, how do I need to create a line between them. How do I create a line? Edit, add prim, could it be? So, add prim needs create a polygon or polyline within any point. You can then add vertices to the primitive with add vertex. Make sure to add at least one vertex to the created primitive. While we attempt to make the sure units code can handle with empty polygons, it's possible they could cause strange result of failure. I'm not sure what it means. So we need the geo handle, the string type. What is string type? Oh, I see. So poly is the closed polygon, can use one or more points. Polyline is what I'm gonna use. Open polygon can use 0 more. Right. So it's gonna be 0 polyline P0 P1. How about that? Here we go. So now it's giving us. Yeah, maybe I'm even gonna make CHF normal line distance. Gonna make a spare. So now I can specify the length. Here we go. So when it's done, I should have this. Perfect. So now I can see that for each of my. So now so now I get access for each of my patches. I can visualize the. I can visualize the. The normal, although it's a pretty, in some places it's a little bit like this shape is like this, and I'm guessing that's this one normal, but it's not situated on the right. Huh. Okay, for now it's gonna be good enough. Right. So here's the first thing. Now the next thing is I want to, before doing this, so this is what's making the normals what they are. Actually, I need to, okay, there is something else I need to do. How am I supposed to do that? I'm gonna create an idea. So for that I need to have the metadata. We're gonna add an ID on this. So first of all, I need to make the so prim int we're gonna I'm gonna group that into, I'm gonna create a group of this. So we're gonna create a attrib prim, no, what is it? Prim attrib. Prim attrib. So we got the geometry, then the attrib name, and then the primitive, then the what, the it's not okay, no, it's not that, it's set prim attrib. I think it's, there we go. So we need the geo handle, the name, the prim number, and the value. Okay. The geo handle is 0. The name is gonna be a group normal direction. And that should be it, although I have now a narrow wide because I forgot the yeah, there we go. So now for each primitive I got a couple of yeah, that's the issue though. Oh, but we already have the actually we already have, the class is already what I'm looking for. Okay, so the class will be something to set up later. Right now I'm just trying to figure out why this is not working the way I want it to. Oh no, it is working. No, it is working. I wasn't looking at the right place. So this way, after that, I can do a blast. Should be able to do a blast. Where now I can specify, okay, you know what? Let me... No? is it not group? So what's the correct naming? Ah. So if I create a group, let's go with group create. Oh, it's with no, it's okay. Should be like that, right? Wrong. Huh. So how do you specify? Could it be that there is a set prim group? Here we go. Geondel name prim number in value. Okay. My bad. So it should be actually set prim group, and let's remove the there we go. Ah, something's wrong. Why? Because you need geohandle, the name, the prim number, the value, and the mode is already set. So why aren't you? Because I put, I don't know why, but there is two. Here we go. Now it should be working. So if I'm going there, here we go. Now I can separate between mine or my. Perfect. So I got a group. Oops. What I also need is the class. I want to make so that the class, and actually the I shouldn't even call that a class, but I'm gonna call this a patch ID. It's making more sense for me, and I don't even need a metadata here. I can just set a prim attrib 0. Actually, we're gonna put that onto a new variable. So what we are looking for is, wait a minute, why it's called, it's get back to class. Which idea? Then class again. This attribute patch ID is what I'm looking for. Huh. Oh yeah, it's because, yeah, okay, no. Here we go, no? Yes, and yes, okay. Whew. So we got the prim attribute. We're gonna set the patch ID. First I need to int ID equal prim 0 patch ID, and we're gonna look at the first one. Should be enough. So it's gonna be on a prim, and it's gonna be idea. There you go. So the patch ID here is set up. If I'm going through all my, here we go. So now we got it's gonna be easier for us to make the corresponding setup. Perfect. Cool. Things are going well for so far. And then we got this that we're gonna remove from here, and you're gonna understand why in a couple of minutes. Oops. Because I'm gonna redo this, so we're gonna have for each connected, but I don't need the connectivity actually. Up. Whoa boy. There we go. And now I'm gonna put that here with the patch ID. Ah, and now it doesn't work. Ooh. Why this won't work? Ah, because I'm doing the yeah, okay. Instead no, it's making sense because we're losing the we got just the last one, the last actually I could even attribute what is it, clean I think it is, where I'm attribute remove, no, what is it, remove, clean, delete, attribute delete. We're gonna remove everything in the detail attribute. So obviously you don't have any attribute in here, so you won't work correctly, that's fine. Because now we have so because now what I can do is make a blast. Based on the normal direction, and I want to delete non-selected. So this way I can get the normal direction. So let's go with the in the detail. And I'm gonna get P V deer no N deer for normal direction, or just N actually. No, 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 dear. It's clear. So it's gonna be it's gonna be 0.0 p 0 or even 1 minus 0.0 p 0, and I even gonna normalize this. So if I'm looking at this, I got my normal direction here, and I want to normalize this. Is it possible to do this? What's the I forgot the normalize. Yeah, normalize. Here we go, and now we got a normalize vector. Perfect. I can go there, and now I can, instead of using the this value, I'm gonna use the detail 1 norm there, and that's it. Should work, but it doesn't. Yeah, because I forgot this, and it doesn't work. Okay, just give me 5 minutes, please. I'll be back. Sorry about that. Okay, so we were almost there, although I have an issue here. Not sure. Norm there. So I'm not sure why. Zero, zero, zero. So it doesn't find anything here. So for some reason this is 0. It's probably because I need to vector norm there equal, and then go like this. How about that? Now it's crashing because no matching function for vector. Am I missing something here? No, wait. No way, I know. No, it's just, yeah, I'm dumb. I'm fucking dumb. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. So now we are back to where we were. The only thing is, now what I can do is this. So now I can make a blast again. So we're gonna make a blast of this, where I'm gonna separate just in normal direction. Here we go. And we're gonna have the one with just the head, and then a merge. Here we go. So again, nothing should change here, and it doesn't. But bear with me, we're gonna make it. What I can do now is bring a edit, and here I can modify some stuff. So if I'm going into point selection, and let's say I'm selecting point here, and let's say I want to move that around, what I can do is wait, this, and then here we go. So just by moving this, I can modify the vertex normal of this patch. So now it's getting my handle on. There we go. It's working well. So now I can do things like where I need to specify, for example, to grab this, move this up if I wanted to, and it would work. The only thing is, how do I symmetrize this? So if I make a mirror, yeah, but if I'm making a mirror, I'm gonna lose all the I'm gonna lose all my class attribute. For now, I'm not gonna do it. At least I know that it is a good start for now, at least. Okay, the last thing I need to do is making sure that at the very end I need to remove them, to blast them before I'm exporting stuff. There we go. Right, I'm happy with that. I come back later to improve on that, but I know that now it is working. I can see that. I can see that I can make it work. Almost there. It's just the mirror thing I need to figure out. I might have something. Already there. Do we have a mirror? Use mirror. Hey, could be simple as that. So if I'm doing this and then this, here we go. It's that simple. Perfect. So last thing I need to create, so let's finish with that then. What I want is to previs inside Houdini. I want to previs the shading, so I need to create a toon shading. So we're gonna go to the material palette, and we already have one, the toon color shade. Perfect. It's already, seems like it's already set up. So what I'm gonna do is make a branch. How should I do that? So before so at this point, yeah, that's here. At this point I'm gonna make a branch where I'm gonna apply a new material. Why am I seeing the point though? Because I'm, no wait, doesn't make sense. Why am I seeing all these points? Did I press something? Oh shit. Shit. Let me reopen, see if it's fixed it, maybe. Could be. Ok, bon je vais repasser en français de toute façon, il n'y a plus personne sur le chat. Plus besoin de me casser la tête à essayer de parler en anglais. C'est peut-être pour ça d'ailleurs qu'il n'y a plus personne sur le chat. C'est peut-être que les gens sont fatigués de, de mon accent. Ça serait pas impossible. Et voilà, là c'est clean. Donc là on est reparti. Alors attends, où j'en étais? J'ai déjà perdu le fil. Ah oui, le matériel, tout ça, machin. On veut appliquer un nouveau matériel ici. Le matériel en question, c'est celui-là. Est-ce que ça fonctionne? Yes. Parfait. J'essaie de trouver un endroit où ça cloche, où j'ai des problèmes de... Hey, not Chris. How you doing, man? Welcome. Ah. So, do I have a little bit of mix? I don't have any mix, so I'm not sure why I have this. Right. So let's say in this position I really hate this. So what I could do now is get back to this, grab one of the point here and move it so that I'm making it disappear. There we go. I can do the same here. I don't like what's going on here. So I can say, okay, you know what? Lift up a little bit. So now I can have a lot more control on how things handle. Your wife is here safely, we are being lazy. Ah, come on, man. Spend your time with your wife then. Don't spend it here. You shouldn't be there. I hope she is doing fine though. We are both watching. All right, so hello there. I hope you did a safe trip. She says she is okay. Good, great. All right, so I don't know if it's gonna be really interesting for your while though, as I went to today. I wanted to do something really technical, and it's not necessarily visually super interesting. It's a lot of code. Although I'm done with that actually. Actually, no. Actually, maybe she came to the perfect moment because I'm gonna switch back to working on the modeling of the face again. I mean, the perfect moment. I don't know. I don't know if it's really perfect, but hey, at least I'm happy. So this is actually working. So now I can make some adjustments on the vertex normal. I got a lot more control on the shading, which is great, and it should help a lot. We're gonna go get coffee and a hang, but as always, thanks for the chill weekend stream. No, thank you. I'm the one that should thank you. Thank you, man, for being already there. Have a good coffee then. Right. Save to disk. Get back here. Load. New heads. Here we go. And so now we don't have this ugly thing we had before. So we still have this, we still have some weird stuff happening though. But it's already better than what I had before. Much better. Cool. Okay, so let's finish with the second head. The second variation, I mean. Oh boy, scary one. So I was trying to do something in this particular, with this shape. So one thing I was thinking about is if this guy's got the eyes closed, maybe I don't need to have any geometry. Actually, I was trying to sculpt the closed eye, but actually I don't think it's making sense. So I'm gonna clean that in the sculpt. I don't need to have closed eye. Here we go. Go. Actually, no. Okay, and let's make the retopo out of this. So how it's gonna work is that I'm gonna bring the this here, and the way I'm gonna do that, all right, so the way I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna separate what I say would be the eyes, and I said that, oh yeah, but the thing is oh shit. Alright, so I guess So that's what's supposed to be the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. And I'm gonna separate everything here. Hopla. So, like this. Root topo I Z1A. This is gonna be root topo head Z1A. This is gonna be 01 nose. Actually, I prefer the root topo 01A nose and put the this at the end. Z1A mouth. Cool. Cool. So now what I can do is make instance of this here. So Alt D and bring that here. So actually it doesn't make sense to have any the head is gonna stay always the same. So that's giving us this. Whoop, wrong one. So we got this. Now all I need to do is recreate all the things like the eyes and the but I need to keep the how should I manage this? Maybe you know what, actually what I'm gonna do is also bring the eyes here, and I'm also gonna grab all the edge here, make it duplicate. Same thing for the nose, where I'm gonna grab this, and for the mouth, where I'm gonna actually I don't need to grab anything here. You're gonna see what I'm trying to do here. Yeah, what I want is keep track of this vertex here. That's important to have this, and I'm gonna merge that, then merge that here. That should do the trick. If I'm getting back to the head 0B, here we go, perfect. So now I can work with that, and the way I'm gonna do this is... Alright, so for the eyes, I'm gonna duplicate that. So that's gonna be my selection for the eyes. That's, I'm gonna call PI. I'm gonna say you gonna try to snap on this, but all of this gonna stay where they are. And now I'm ready. Now I'm ready. Let's save everything. And let's create some patches, right? Hey Edgelord, soutien symbolique mais je peux pas rester, pas de problème. Enfin oui et non, enfin c'est compliqué, t'inquiète pas. Même si pour moi il a un nez bien trop gros pour un lâche-cul. Quoi, celui-là ici là? On pourrait le faire plus fin. Mais le problème c'est que je suis un peu... si je le fais beaucoup trop fin... Bon, on pourrait en faire un troisième encore plus fin que ça. Quand je ferai le troisième, je ferai encore plus fin que ça. Ouais, t'as raison. Le troisième, il sera encore plus fin. Ok, alors les lignes dont j'ai besoin... qu'est-ce que j'ai besoin? J'ai besoin pour les yeux... Comment je vais faire pour le shading des yeux? Comment je m'y prends? Bon, déjà ça paraît assez clair que... On va suivre la courbe des yeux. Ensuite on va avoir un... chose comme ça. Je vais vouloir un... Ok, je tente un truc et puis on verra une fois que je ferai mes tests si c'est si ça va dans la bonne direction ou pas. Là on aurait quoi? On aurait... Tac, 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 tac. Tac, tac, tac. Peut-être même... quelque chose comme ça. Ce qui fait qu'on pourrait même peut-être faire un truc comme ça. On verra ce que ça donne. Je pourrais faire qu'il ait un... Alors... il y aurait comme une épaisseur à sa paupière. Honnêtement là pour l'instant là j'ai aucune idée d'où je m'en vais, j'ai aucune idée de ce que je fais. On verra bien une fois qu'on va tester les choses. Voilà, je suis presque sûr qu'il vaut mieux que je fasse ça. On pourrait aller avec. Hey. Ben non. Okay, let's go with that. Et je vais vouloir faire cette espèce de tac 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 tac. Le triangle qu'on voit, bah, peut-être le rebrancher ici en fait. C'est bizarre hein, cette courbe là. Tac, 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 et tac. Ok, si je fais déjà les patchs, ça va donner quoi? Si je fais ça là, tac, tac. Merde, j'ai oublié ça. Voilà. Ça. Peut-être que là, ça va mériter qu'on fasse une coupe. Bon là, je sais que celui-là, il me plaît pas du tout comme patch, mais pour l'instant, on va vivre avec. Ok, attendez. Le cell shading construction dans le viewport. Ah, mais il y a déjà. Pourquoi je le vois pas alors? Est-ce que c'est parce que. Bon, déjà, Ça c'est non. Pourquoi je vois pas le matériel à en faire? Object, matériel, voilà, ok. Donc lui par exemple déjà on va virer ça. Ok. Maintenant les choses me paraissent plus claires. Ok, alors qu'est-ce qui ne fonctionne pas là-dedans? Tiens, plus de musique. J'ai toujours internet quand même. Ok, bon, je sais pas. Si je cache... Attendez, j'ai oublié un truc là, non? Eh oui, j'ai oublié. N'oublions pas qu'il a pas les yeux ouverts, donc ça c'est fermé ça. Ça nous donnerait ça. Bah, ça se tient. Même si j'aime pas ça là. J'ai envie de dire que ça se tient quand même. Bon, ça par contre j'aime pas. Ce qu'on pourrait faire, c'est en faire quelque chose comme ça là. Tac. Voire même, au lieu de couper ici, de... Ouais, pardon. Hey! Qu'est-ce qui se passe là? Ah oui, parce que d'accord. Peut-être quelque chose comme ça. Bon, mais j'aime bien, sauf ça là. Est-ce qu'il y a moyen de fixer ça? Peut-être en fait, en faisant tout simplement quelque chose comme ça. Non, c'est pire en fait, ce que je suis en train de faire. c'est peut-être mieux. Évidemment, ça me plaît pas du tout. Comment on peut fixer ça? Voyons voir. Juste comme ça peut-être déjà. Ça améliore un peu. J'ai l'impression que ça améliore un peu la courbe. Ouais, il y a juste ici qui c'est. En fait, je me demande si c'est pas mieux de faire vraiment un truc droit comme ça. Je pense que c'est un peu plus acceptable. Il y a ça qui fonctionne vraiment pas bien. Mais ça, je pense qu'on peut le fixer avec notre nouveau système qu'on a fait dans Houdini. Donc pour les yeux, on va dire que c'est correct comme ça. On va passer sur le nez. Alors, pour le nez, c'est simple. On va faire le même principe qu'on a fait ici. Ah merde, il me l'a... Oh non. Shit. Du coup... Ah, j'aurais dû le dupliquer. C'est ma faute. Eh ouais. Ah putain. Alors attendez, faut que je fixe ça. J'ai besoin de reprendre ça ici, dupliquer, sélection, comme ça. Non, l'autre sens. Ça, non, ça. Voilà. Cool. Maintenant, je peux prendre les vertex là, dupliquer, extraire. On renomme. P nose. Et là, attendez, mais non, pourquoi il me l'a pas... Il y a quelque chose qui cloche là. Ah ouais. Oh oui, d'accord. Ouais, ok. On va y arriver. Ok, là j'ai tous mes points. Donc, en ce qui concerne la rotopo, on avait dit on s'accroche à ça ici, sauf tous les points ici. Voilà. Et là maintenant. C'est parti. Tac, tac, tac. Je fais un gros... Puisque je veux une belle ligne droite, je peux dissolver celui-là. Placer ça là. Demander à ce que ça snap comme il faut. Non, attendez, non, pas toi. Et là maintenant je peux subdivide. Donc là, le nez, ça va être assez simple. Je vais vouloir quelque chose d'assez géométrique, on va dire, entre guillemets. C'est pour ça que j'y vais comme ça. Oula, oula, doucement, doucement. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Voilà. Bon, clairement je sais qu'on va avoir des problèmes de shading autour du nez. Je sais pas trop quoi faire, je sais pas trop comment gérer ça, cette situation, pour être honnête. Bon. Je pense que pour l'heure, je vais vivre avec ça. Et puis on verra. Peut-être qu'en fait ici, ce que je pourrais faire, ce qui pourrait aider, d'avoir une coupe comme ça. Je sais pas. Et ici, si je fais un peu la même chose. J'ai l'impression que c'est pire en vrai. Non, c'est pire. Et je n'ai plus de CTRL Z. Désolé. Même si en vrai, peut-être que quand même une petite courbe, ça pourrait peut-être pas faire de mal. Ok, finissons avec la bouche, la biche. Même chose. Tu m'énerves. Tu m'énerves. Voilà. Oui, toujours pareil. Si je fais ça là, merge by distance. Là on est d'accord que... Ouais, ok, ça fonctionne. Shift D. Hop. On dirait Batman là, ou Catwoman. Peut-être même plus Catwoman que Batman. En fait, ce qui marcherait mieux peut-être pour que ça puisse fitter avec le reste, c'est que je le fasse ma courbe comme ça. Yes. Et là, je suis prêt. Alors, même topo, on setup ça là-dessus. Pourquoi tu me sélectionnes? Voilà. Assign to no shrink wrap. Ah merde, je me suis trompé là. Attends, attendez. Ça, ok. Ça, voilà. Et on y va. Donc on a une ligne directrice ici. La forme de la bouche comme ça. Avec un cul en poule. Bouche en cul de poule. Hop. Ça. Par contre, ça, je vais m'assurer que tout ça, ça snap. C'est le cas. Ok. Alors, on va essayer de rattraper les mêmes lignes qu'on a sur le précédent mesh. Pourquoi lui il a... Ah non. Je me demande ce que ça donne ça. Pas sûr que ça donne un bon résultat ça. Alors, remplissons les trous. Oh non, celui-là il a... Ah, fuck. Lui par exemple... Je veux vraiment que tu snaps. Si. Merci. Ok. Ça nous donne ça. Là, il y a quelque chose de chelou. Ah oui, non, 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 ça c'est... C'est un peu normal. Ok, bon, et ben voilà pour le deuxième visage qui avance. Alright, so le deuxième visage avance. Sur ce, moi, bah, je vais arrêter là. Je pense que c'est un bon moment de stopper. I think I'm gonna stop there. I think it's a good time to... it's a good place to stop. Thank you everybody for following this streams. Hope everybody got a good weekend, good end of the weekend. I wish you every day, good day, good night, depending on when or where you're watching this video, and I hope you'll be there for the next one. Merci beaucoup à tout le monde, salut. Je souhaite à tout le monde une bonne journée, une bonne soirée, dépendamment de où et quand vous regardez cette vidéo, et j'espère que vous serez là pour le prochain, qui sera forcément le week-end prochain, samedi prochain même. Merci beaucoup, salut, bye bye.